What's up YouTube, it's CB here. Today I'm in my school's house. I'm planning to do something which is maybe abnormal to my YouTube vlogs. Because now I'm about to set up the water heater for my toilet. Since the water in this season is super cold, and this is what I have prepared: water heater and all the stuff, the drill, all the wire cords I need, all the things that I need. First of all, I had to set up the breaker, and after that you will see later